Hello to all my lovely children. Welcome to you all in my social science class. I am Arshi Aziz and I am explaining you chapter number 5 of Geography Agriculture. Now children, I am going to explain you agriculture in India. And children, you know that agriculture is the main occupation in India. Nearly 70% of the people are engaged in doing agriculture. Agriculture in India is still mostly of the intensive subsistence type. Okay? Most crops are grown for consumption as food. Children, this is because our India's population is increasing so fast, so giving rise to an ever increasing demand for food. In some areas of Chota Nagpur and northeastern hilly regions of India, the tribal population practice shifting agriculture. Cultivation for sale and export is not there. Children, on the other hand, crops like cotton, tobacco and sugarcane are grown commercially on large farms that use machinery, improve variety of seeds, fertilizers, etc. And children, tea, coffee, rubber and spices are grown in plantations. Children, the time between the sowing and the harvesting of crops is called an agricultural season. Children, there are the two main types of agriculture seasons in India. They are Kharif and Rabi. The Kharif crop is sown in June-July at the onset of the monsoon, and it is harvested in November-December when winter sets in. And children, Rabi season begins after the retreat of the monsoon. Crops are sown in October and November and are harvested just before summer or during spring in February-March. Now children, I am going to explain you types of crops. Children, crops are mainly of two types, food crops and cash crops. Those crops which form the basic food of people are called food crops. Food crops are any plants intentionally grown with the primary purpose of being eaten by humans or animals. There are two basic criteria that differentiate food crops from other plants. The first is that a person must intentionally plant or care for them, and second is they must be primarily used for food. Both of these factors are absolute requirements for the term. And the children, the chief cereals are rice, wheat, maize and millets, and the chief food crop of an area is known as the staple crop of the area. Food crops may be grown commercially or for the subsistence. Cash crops. A cash crop is an agricultural crop which is grown for sale to return a profit. It is typically purchased by parties separate from a farm. The term cash crop is applied exclusively to the agricultural production of plants. Second, prices for major cash crops are set in commodity markets with global scope with some local variations based on freight cost and local supply and demand balance. Or in other terms, we just say that these crops earn ready cash for the farmers and are called cash crops or commercial crops. Important cash crops include sugarcane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and jute. Now children, we will see the major crops. A large variety of crops are grown for the meat requirement of the growing population, such as rice, wheat, maize, millets, cotton, jute, tea and coffee. Children, very first major crop is rice. See children, this is my farmhouse and I'm just showing you the real rice crops. So children, rice is a staple food crop of a majority of people in India. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It's a kharif crop which requires high temperature about 25 degree and high rainfall about 100 centimeter and high humidity. And children, it grows best in alluvial grey soil which can retain water. And children, rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltaic regions. Development of canal irrigation and tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. China, India, Japan, Sri Lanka and Egypt are the leading producer of rice in the world.